gotta explode. Now let's shake it all around. Good.
Ready.
Oh, you're good in the corners. Nice. Nice touch. Oh, I still see some more corners.
Can you show it? Mia, can you show us your picture?
Show us your picture. Shake it off. Get all the extra cut it out. Go to it.
Pretty. Love it.